Assalamu alaikum. It is our fifth lecture, endocrinology. I divide pharmacology of endocrine in 3 to 4 videos. At the end, we will discuss some important MCQs that help you in the preparation for PMDC and FCPS. Today our topic is about insulin preparations. Insulin is a hormone that naturally made in the pancreatic beta cells that stimulates the flow of sugar. Insulin has two chains, alpha chain and beta chain. Alpha chain has 21 amino acid and beta chain has 30 amino acid. There are 4 categories of insulin: rapid acting, short acting, intermediate acting and long acting. In medicine we should be little creative because there are too many things to remember. There is an easy and quick method to remember these 4. Ready, set, inject, love. Ready and set to inject love. We give rapid acting insulin in bolus form 15 minutes before meal. Its peak level is 1 hour. It remains 3 hours in our body. Its drugs are Lispro, Aspart and Glulicin. Its mnemonics is LAG. Side effects are hypoglycemia, headache, nausea, hunger, blurred vision and fast heartbeat. Next is short acting. Its onset is 30 minutes. It is the most stable form of the insulin. Its peak level is about 2 hours and its duration is 8 hours. Their drugs is named regular insulin. Side effects are sweating, dizziness and fast heartbeat. Third one is intermediate acting. Its onset is about 7 hours and its peak level is 8 hours. Duration is 16 hours. Drug is NPH and side effects are allergic reactions, itching and redness. We give intermediate acting before breakfast and bedtime. Last one is long acting. Onset is 2 hours, peak is no, duration is 24 hours. Drugs are Determir and Glargine. Side effects are chills, faint. Now discuss some important MCQs. Which of the following is most appropriate insulin therapy after surgery? Glargine, Determir, regular and NPH. Correct option is Glargine. Second MCQ is which of the following drugs acts by decreasing amount of glucose produced by the liver? Sulfonyl urease, meglitinides, biguanides. Correct option is biguanides. Third MCQ is how many acids are present on beta chain of insulin? 30, 21, 50 and 31. Correct option is 30. Okay, thanks.